Have you ever wondered why some tradesmen prefer small tools to conventional ones? The solution is simple. Compact instruments shine in small areas. They are lightweight without sacrificing power, comfy without sacrificing efficiency, and most importantly, they let you work wherever and whenever you choose. Today, we're going over a selection of items that may revolutionize the way you think about tiny gear. Ready? Let's get to it. The Fanttik C8 Nano cordless electric scissors are ideal for both professional and personal use. They don't simply cut paper and cardboard. They also cut through carpet and leather with speed, precision, and ease. These scissors are designed for heavy-duty use with a cutting depth of up to 6.3 millimeters and a battery life of up to 40 minutes on a single charge. This tiny grinder from Milwaukee's M12 range is designed for one-handed operation, and its clever construction allows you to grip close to the workpiece for better control. It has 12 speed options ranging from 5,000 to 27,500 RPM, all while weighing only 360 grams. BAHCO's cordless pruning shears are game changers for gardeners. They come with 2 rechargeable batteries that provide up to 6 hours of total runtime, effortlessly cutting through branches, twigs, and vines up to 26 millimeters thick. They're also designed to be comfortable for both right and left-handed users. This tool makes stripping round cables effortless, handling diameters from 4.5 to 29 millimeters. It cuts through PVC, rubber, and polyethylene sheathing with ease, offers simple adjustments, and supports both lengthwise and crosscuts. The MINICUT 1 and 2 Pro tube cutters are intended to go where normal cutters cannot. They deliver crisp cuts on pipes ranging in diameter from 3 to 22 millimeters and have working radius of 38 and 42 millimeters, making them ideal for tight, restricted places. The standout feature of the 946 Smarty Level is its bubble. Its edges are up to 8 times more visible than those on standard levels. With an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 millimeters per meter, it meets the expectations of even the most demanding professionals. This compact angle grinder from Milwaukee can cut, sand, and scrape in places most tools can't even reach. At just 12 centimeters long, it features a brushless, power-state motor that delivers smooth, powerful performance. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort, even during extended use. This TOLSEN attachment is a lifesaver when you need to screw or drill at a 90 degrees angle in tight or awkward spaces. It reaches speeds of up to 400 RPM with 15 Newton meters of torque, delivering smooth, precise performance exactly where you need it. No compromise. This PowerBuilt adapter set is designed for pros who depend on torque wrenches. The compact EVA case holds 10 adapters, ranging from 10 to 19 millimeters, all crafted from high-strength chrome vanadium steel built to withstand the toughest conditions. The KNIPEX Pliers Wrench XS is the world's smallest adjustable pliers, just 10 centimeters long. But don't let the size fool you. These compact pliers are just as capable as their full-sized counterparts. Perfect for everything from trimming tiles to installing plumbing. They grip nuts up to 21 millimeters across and are easy to operate with one hand. The Hoto Smart Laser Measure blurs the line between professional gear and home convenience. It's far lighter than a traditional tape measure, just 36 grams, and delivers up to 100 minutes of use on a single charge. Capable of measuring distances up to 30 meters, it also features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to send readings directly to your phone. This fan with a misting function transforms even the hottest day into a refreshing oasis. It can cool the air by up to 10 degrees Celsius and runs on a battery that lasts up to 7 hours. The KAIWEETS HT100S is a non-contact voltage tester that couldn't be easier to use. If the tip glows red and beeps, there's voltage present. It detects between 12 and 1000 volts and does more than just check for voltage. You can also identify live and neutral wires with it. This compact cordless machine functions as both a polisher and a sander, making it perfect for car care. And it works just as well on wood. That's versatility at its best. The tool comes with 20 accessories, and with the battery included, it weighs just 750 grams. The compact cordless ATuMan Rotary toolkit is a godsend for professionals of all skill levels. It comes with 42 accessories, and with 5 speed settings ranging from 10,000 to 28,000 RPM, you can optimize the performance of each one. Whether you're grinding, polishing, drilling, or engraving, it handles it all and runs for 2 hours on a single charge. If you're a gardener, keep your eyes on the screen. We've picked out a kit that's just as handy in an apartment as it is outdoors. You get 5 compact tools: a shovel, a spade, a rake, a bucket shovel, and a pair of shears. The longest tool is just over 17 centimeters, making it easy to store and a pleasure to use. This set is even perfect for fans of the intricate art of bonsai, sure to bring plenty of joyful moments spent with your plants. And there you have it, our compilation of the mini tools that everyone should have in 2025. Thanks for watching. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to our channel.